Hi friends. So today I got one questions from the Cisco. One of the friend they giving the interview on Cisco. So he asked they given the input they given the input 3 and he wants output 1 2 3. For that I need write a code. So I have already read the code and will show you how it's working. Then we'll get to know. How it works. So suppose I will give the run and we'll check it. Suppose I am giving here 3 and we'll give the enter. So it is printing 1 2 3. Okay, then how it works, that thing I will know. So I will put debugger here and it will start the debugging. So once we'll start the debugging, it is saying that you enter some number. So for that now I am entering the number 3 and give the enter. So it will come the for loop, and now for loop will execute and will check the range. Range will start from 1. So 1 and num plus 1. Number is 3. 3 plus 1 4. So it will start 1 to 4. So now it will start one by one and print first item. First item is 1. So it will go and combine the combined position. It is a position 0 into 10 plus I. I is 1. So 1. Similarly, it will print next one 2. So now in combined number, what is 1? 1 into 10, and then we'll add the number 2. So 1 2. Similarly, it will come for the next number is 3. The 3 is added into the combined number. So 1 2 3. So output will be the 1 2 3. But now again I will run and check. Okay, it is 1 2 3. Okay, so now I have given the I am giving the again run and I am entering the number like 9. So once I will enter the 9, it come to the for loop and will execute one by one. Similarly, that one executed for the 1 2 3. Okay, so similarly it will works for the 9 also. But we see the one issue with this code. That code is when we are entering the number 10 11 12 13 14, anyone, those are greater than 9. In that case this code will get failed. So for that what we will do, we'll see later. First now we'll check up to the 9. Okay, so it is printed the 9 and 0. Okay, so final output is the what is 1 to 9. Okay, so what my questions is what will happen if I put okay, what will happen if I put 12. So I will again run the program and enter. Suppose I am entering 13 and give the enter. It's come to here and will start the debugging. So range will start from 1 to 14 and it will similarly it will works like 0 to 3 and 1 to 3 and 1 to 9. But the problem is when it reach the 10th position, then it will come to know what is the value it's coming for the 10th position. So we'll get to know. So okay, 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 okay. So here we can see that the enter number is 13 and output is this one. Before what we saw that when we entered 3, it's come to 1 2 3. Once enter 9, it's come 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9. but now I have written 13. So what happened? 0, 1, 2, 3. This one come. So this is not actual output. So output they have need how he suppose they want test test case second, he want input as a 13 and output should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So like that he want, correct? So for that what we'll do? Okay, for that what we'll do? Will so I am printing here only print I and will do end with double quotes. So in that case it will print the this one. So we'll run and check it. So I am giving the 14. See how it come for the 14, how it come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. So interviewer expect this one, okay, not this one. Okay, similarly we will write for the 15. Okay, suppose I will run it, I will enter 15. So it will come, see here it will come 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, like that you want. So that means my code is okay with this one. Okay, so if we will comment this one, this pass also it will work. Okay, we'll run it, we'll check. So we'll run 15. See how it is works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Correct? So that means this code is working fine for the output of desired output. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the watching. We'll upload next video. Thank you.